Jersey number 27, team captain, Gamboa. Jersey number 12, Abelardo. Jersey number 17, Christine, and jersey number 19, Leonis. Their starting level. Jersey number 24, Taya. And wala po sila, coach.
Hindi malaki nagisiliko.
Okay. First set for our open and big Kalamian women division. Let the battle begin. And for the service of Curtis.
Yung aso. Yung aso.
Jersey number 16, Kamigin. Sinong Lotesan para kay Nakaya. Nihulog. Outside. Puntos. Curtis. 1-0. Now the service by jersey number 16, Kamigin. Good serve. Received by Delibero. Score. Curtis 2-0. Another service by jersey number 16, Kabigin. Good serve. Received by Delibero. Sinagote. Good ball. Good ball by Sinagote. Gamboa Abelardo. Nulog ng Galaxy Sinagote. Ipol. Inihulog. Good ball! Puntos! Yato siya. 2-1.
Parang mag-i-invented ka.
Service by jersey number 15, the team captain, Sinagote. Received by Christine. Christine Umay Gamboa Abelardo.
Ay, sa si tita.
Balones to Sinagote. Markabato wala. Nice beat by Taya. Taya mag-i to De La Cruz.
Ay, ito si tita.
Sinagote over by Balones. Puntos. Yatusha. Score. Venda 2. Another service by the team captain, Christian Pagulin. Sinagote. Service now received by Kabigin to Taya. Taya ay Gamboa to Taya. Ito ulit din kaya Sinagote. Sinagote. Good ball. Over by Gamboa. Sinagote to Taya. Nice pick by Taya. De La Cruz. Sinagote set by Puntos. Gorgeous. Score. 3-2. 1-point lead. Gorgeous. From the service line, Gorgeous Ishina. There's number 13. Taya. Good serve by Taya. We'll see the Cheno. Sinagote to Idol. Outside by Idol. Score 4-2. Two-point lead. Gorgeous. Another service by jersey number 13. Taya. Good serve, Cheno to Sinagote to Balones. Outside. Score. Gorgeous. Service by jersey number 13. This is by De La Cruz Takayan. Over by Sinagote. Kabigin. Puntos. Yatusha. 5-3.
Hey, wow! Hey!
Service by jersey number 4. Takayan.
Wag, ayaw nga, ayaw.
Good serve by Takayan. This is by Taya. Gamboa Abelardo. Good ball. Sinagote to Balones. Error. Score. Gorgeous. 6-3. Service by the team captain, Gamboa, jersey number 27. Outside. Score. Regatusha. 6-4. Service by jersey number 8, Pachero. Good serve by Pachero to Sine Kabigyan. To Gamboa to Briones. Ipol. To Sine Ipol. Wilbon Maykaya, Kapwa mo Abelardo. De La Cruz, Lucina Bote to Itol. Good. Score, Curtis. 7-4.
Baby dolls na naman.
Abelardo. Ang nangyayari sa iyo, Christine.
Baby dolls yan eh.
Siyempre, Abelardo si Itol. Check ball. Jersey number 1. Itol. Score, 8-4. 4-point lead, Curtis. Na reserves by Jersey number 12. Abelardo. Siyempre, Abelardo si Brachero. Brachero to Balones to Itol. Beyond time. Briones. Ibinalik. Itol to Balones. Trespassing. Balones. Score. 9-4. Ang nakabol sa lima. Ang kalamangan ng Curtis. Na reserves by Jersey number 12. Abelardo. Sexes. Abelardo. Time out. There are two shots. Score po natin. 10-4. Aling na po ang pinaka. Natutunan ng Curtis Isra. Okay, mag-prepare na rin po ang ating next game. SA Federation versus Wildfire Fighters. Okay, players, back to the movie. Score po natin 10-4. Jersey number 12, Abelardo for the first line of Curtis. Received by Abelardo. Received by Chero. Sinagot to Ito Ninuno. Good ball. Christine to Briones. Masukol to sinagot ni Masukol. Sinagot si Abelardo. Kabawa to Christine. Puntos. Christine. Jersey number 17. Score 11-4.
Hey. Hingi ako candy. Hingi ako candy. Kuhaan mo ko doon. Kuhaan mo ko ng candy. Yan, Dida, na-addict na yun.
Okay. Back to your bowling. Service by Jersey number 12. Abelardo. Abelardo to De La Cruz. Pinangbote. Si Zaka Itol.
Natagalaw.
Puntos. Score 11-5.
Tingin ako.
Service by Jersey number 6, Balones. Good serve by Balones. Received by Taya. Kapigay to Briones. No good. Score, penalty shot. 11-6. Another service by Jersey number 6, Balones. Good serve by Balones. Received by Taya to Gamboa. Achero to sinabote to Itol. Outside, Itol. 12-6. Service by Jersey number 17, Christine. Good serve by Christine. Check ball by Jersey number 19, De La Cruz. Sorry na, nice play. By Christine. Score po natin 13-6. Service by Christine. Good serve by Christine. Receive by Nicole. Bumalik ko sa bote. Receive tayo. Gamboa. To Briones. Receive by Aguer. Nicole. Bumalik kay tayo. Gamboa. Ihulog. Nandun si Aguer. Masuk ko ni Ihulog. Kuha ni Briones.
Good.
Puntos! Gorgeous! 14-6.
Sa ilong yan.
Wala na po ang kalamangan ng Gorgeous Isha. Good serve. Service error by Christine. Service by jersey number 16, to Vicente Kaya. Ibinalik ni Christine. Over by Gamboa. Vicente Balones. Sinanggote to Idol Dogu. Score 15-7. Service by jersey number 19, Rayones. Recibe Mabella. Sinanggote to Idol. Puntos by Idol. Jersey number 21. Score 15-8. Mahirap na kapigit sa kanyang katawan, mga kaibigan. Jersey number 21, serving. No good by Idol. Score 16-8. Service line by Gorgeous. Kabigin. Good serving Kabigin kasi ng Mabella. Mabella kasi ng mga ito kaya. Puntos. Gorgeous. Service by jersey number 16. Kabigin. Dito. Mabella. Over by Angel. Kaya to Gamboa to Abilado. Check ball by Idol. Time out. Tela Tusha. Wala na pong time out ang Tela Tusha. Ang score po natin 18-8 sa grupo ng mga Northwest Isla. 18-8. And for our next game,
Alayan na. Alayan na.
Ben Felicia. For firefighters versus SK Federation. Players, back to the movie. Tapos service line of Gorgeous Isla. Here's number 16, Kabigin. Good service Kabigin, Vicente Idol. Yung mga paalas na natin.
Okay, no.
Vicente Kaya. Kaya ito kabuhay din na rin ito buhay kaya. Vicente Idol. Sinanggote mo bakayan. Nasugatan na ang kamay ni bakayan. Puntos. Gorgeous. 19-8. Service by Kabigin. Good service Kabigin na sila ito. Sinanggote over by Kaya. Kabigin to Gamboa. Achero. Gusto na kote to Kayan. Kayan to Gamboa. Inulog kay Achero. Sinanggote. No good. Puntos. Gorgeous. 28. Lamang na po ang Gorgeous. 28.
Dance.
Good save by Kabigin. Sinanggote to Achero. Check ball by Gamboa. Score po natin 20. 9, 11, 20. Service by Sinanggote. Receive by Kabigin to Gamboa. Gamboa to Abilado. Outside. Puntos. Tela Tusha.
No.
Service
Close
by
na, close.
Sinanggote. Receive by Kabigin to Gamboa. Abilado Iniulo. Gamboa error. Score 20-11. Ang referee by team captain Sinanggote.
Kamu ka dyan, Faye.
Check ball by Kabigin. Diane Gorgeous. Score po natin 20-12.
Ibigay mo ito kay nanay, dali. Tagal pa natin, bigay mo kay nanay. Say mo nanay, mamang kulang kay nanay, bigay mo kay nanay. Bilis.
Wala na nanay. Wala na. Wala na si nanay. Aray. Iniwan ni nanay. Iniwan ni nanay. Saan si nanay? Saan? Saan si nanay?
Good sir, by Sinagote outside. Score 1-1. Well, 1-1. Service by Kaya. Good service. Receiving from Delia. Balones to the Kaya. Tayang to Gamboa to
Binawasan niya kasi.
1-2. Wow. Service by Kaya. Good serve by Kaya. Receive by Titol. Sinagote to Kaya. Basag ang blockers. Score 1-2. Repeat. From the service line of the Miraculous. Jersey number 4 Kakayan. Good serve by Kakayan. Ginawa ng paraan ng Gamboa, Balones, Umasukol, Kudol. Sinagote ng Umasukol again, Balones, Umasukol. At si Kabigin. Aguilar, Agustin. Aguilar, ng Gamboa. Agustin. Kakayan over by Sibay. Lagi ng Kakayan. Balones. Score 1-2 for game. Holding diet, Kabigin. Hindi na makabati sa Kabigin mga kaibigan, bigat na bigat. Gamboa to Cristina Ren. Nice pick by Titol. Over by Hachel. Kaya to Gamboa. To Aguinaldo. Putos Aguinaldo. Score. Warning. 14. Warning 14. Service line Gamboa. Rotation ball. Rotation ball na itinawag para sa buwan ng Tiratusha ay Apuntos. Gorgeous. Set point 14. Check ball by Balones. Players proceed sa headline. And then the players headline. And change court. Para po sa team captain na tutunan ng buwan pamalihan. Para po sa team ng Gorgeous. Team captain. Gamboa. Okay, okay po. Para po sa team first set. 25-14. Ayan siya ang tawag sa kaibigan ng SA. Lester. Meron tayo. Kaway-kaway ka ng tawag sa kaibigan ng SA.
Ina mo. Ay.
Okay, next game. Inter-agency men division. SK Federation versus Broad Fire Fighters.
Pay. 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 Huh? Pay.
Kunin mo. Kunin mo, Bey.
Okay, pasok na po ang ating first set at first 6 sa ating second set. Libero na Burgess. Okay, pagkalitin na lang po sa ating management. Players, kulang pa kayo ng isa. Okay, for the team of Gorgeous Asia. Jersey number 23, Buluwanga. Jersey number 18, Kaya. Jersey number 7, Gaboa. Jersey number 12, Aminato. Jersey number 17, Christine, and jersey number 19, Briones. And then the medal. Jersey number 24, Daya. And sa team ng Pinatusya. Itoy. Jersey number 21. Sinanggote na team natin, jersey number 15. Gakaya, jersey number 4. Palakla. Palakla. Eliseo, jersey number 7. Balones, jersey number 6. And there in the middle, jersey number 8. Materia. Second set. Let the battle begin.
No.
Punishment ready. Wait a minute. Ang number. Yung Gorgeous. Service quality ng Pinatusya. Ito. Receive yung Buluwanga. Hindi na sila kaya. Kaya puntos. Gorgeous 1-0. Jersey number 18, Kayang serving. Good serve ay Kayang receive yung Balones. Sinanggote. Kung Eliseo. Good ball by Eliseo. Buluwanga Gaboa ito Aminato. Receive yung Materia. Sinanggote ito Eliseo. Kayang Gaboa ito Christine. Down the line. Hit by Christine. 2-0. Service by Jersey number 18, Daya. Wika. Guys, para sapatos. Okay. Service by Daya. Good serve.
Grabe pa man yung pan mo, ha?
Abelardo. We are looking by Abelardo. Puntos. Score 3-0. Painting kay ating Melody Daya. Andun na po siya sa may harapan, ha? May naglalang po sa dito sa likod. Miss Melody Daya. Service. Jersey number 19. Daya. Good serve by Daya. Receive by Mabella. Sinabot ng Tuikon. Puntos. Pinatusya. 3-1. Aba, akala ko ng dito na ka. Nagkamali pala. Aray! Napatay ko lang si Korea. Okay, service. 4-1 ball on the score. Service by the team captain, Gaboa, jersey number 27. Receiver Mabella. Sinanggote ito Kakaya. Kakaya yung galamay, Kakaya. Puntos. Gorgeous. 5-1. Service by Kaya, Gaboa. Good serve. Receiver Mabella. Kakaya. Whoa. Binigay ka na Abelardo. Kasi sisigawan Abelardo. Score 5-2.
Yes, servicean mo.
Service by Jersey number 4, Kakaya.
First ball!
Good serve by Kakaya. Receive by Christine. Briones. Gula.
Uy!
Good ball by Eliseo. Gamboa to Briones.
Over. Nice one.
Good.
Go guys!
Score 5-3.
Pampahider.
2-point lead, Gorgeous. Service by jersey number 4, Kakaya. Receive by Kaya. Over by Briones. Kakaya.
Net.
Tulo, itinulak ni Briones. Puntos, Gorgeous. 6-3.
No.
Service by jersey number 12,
Ayan,
Abilanto.
lumumi ah. Pepe!
Good serve by Abilanto. Receive by Ipon. Sinabot ito. Score, Gorgeous, 7-3. Another service by Abelardo. Good service by Abelardo, receiving the boost. Sinabot ay set to Eliseo. Supra na set, outside, no check. Score, Gorgeous, 8-3. 5-point lead, Gorgeous.
Baseball! Baseball!
Another service by Abelardo, received by Ipon. Sinabot ito, Balones! Outside! Score, 9-3. Summit, wearing jersey number 6, Balones out. Latian Stila, jersey number 12, Kain, substitution completed. Service by jersey number 12, Abelardo. Good serve by Abelardo, received by Ito. Sinabot ito, Eliseo. Purwaka over. Sinabot ito, Masuko. No good. Score, Gorgeous, 10-3. 7-point lead, Gorgeous. Service by Abelardo. Good serve by Abelardo. Good ball by Ipon. Over by Sinanggot Abelardo to Gamboa to Briones. On the power tip, Sinanggot to Latansina. Just receive. Over by Gamboa. Ipon to Sinanggot to Eliseo. Received by Abelardo Purwaka. Good ball. Over by Eliseo. Abelardo to Gamboa. To Briones. Denied by Masuko.
Wala na.
4.
Wala na.
Denied ang palo ni Briones. Service by the team of Siracusa. Eliseo.
Huwag ka na.
Good serve by Eliseo. Receive by Kaya. Bola. Purwaka. No good. Score 10-5.
Da.
5-point lead. Gorgeous. Another service by
Service,
Eliseo.
service.
Good serve by Eliseo. Received by Briones. Puntos. Briones. Score 11-5. Service by jersey number 17, Christine. Good serve by Christine, Christine de la Cruz. Sinabot din rin kay Itol. De la Cruz to sinabot again to Itol. Check ball, Gamboa. Score 11-6.
Service!
Rem, servicean mo.
Good save. Receive by Christine. Over by Gamboa. Sinakote. Check ball by Christine. 11-7. Service by Valencia. Inside. Puntos.
Sapa, sapa, sapa.
11-8.
Patay pa, patay.
3-point lead. Service. Another service by Bajan Sila.
Nice one!
Receive by Taya. Taya, over. Sinakot nito masukol.
Tuto ko lang sa camera, pwede.
Wow.
Ah, bawi, bawi.
From the service line of Burgess.
Da.
Tatlo lang yan, tatlo!
Check ball by Eliseo. Another service by Leones.
Kailangan na siya makalasa.
No good.
Mali pa rin yun!
Score. Virapusia. 13-10. 3-point lead. Burgess. Service by Masukol.
Nice!
Masukol. Good ball by this team. Ito, dalawa paraan hanggang sa tayang. Puro ng ball at sila. Sila goten to tayang. Gamboa sa batu tayang. Bajan sila to Ipon. Briones to Gamboa. To Buwanga. Good. Puntos. Viratusha. 13-11. Service by Masukol. No good. Score Gorgeous. 14-11. Kanina escape po natin. Escape Red versus Palapire Fighters. Buruwanga service. Outside. Score. Viratusha. 14-12.
Ah, dalawa.
Service by Jersey number 21. Ito. Service out by Ito. 15-12. Service by Tayang from the Gorgeous.
Outside.
Outside. Ano na naman po ang kaya dalawang kupunan? Score po natin 15-13. Service by the team captain, here's number 15, Sinagote. Good serve, receiving kaya. Gamboa, inulit kay Eliseo. Ito from the back row. Buruwanga over. Receiving na kaya. Sinagote to Mabelia. Receiving kaya. Gamboa to Christine. Good ball. Ito. Buruwanga sila. Abinado to Gamboa to Abinado. And Bilal! Puntos. Siracusia. 15.
Ay, ang ganda naman. Shit. Yumagang nung anong hindi, parang decide ng tanduay. Yumagang nung lakad. Kaya nga eh. Magkano na dyan?
Okay, players. Back to the booking. Service by the team captain of the Siracusia. Jersey number 15, Sinagote.
Service!
Sukatan ni Louie daw. sabaw.
Good serve by Cole.
Nausugatan ni Louie. Grabe yung pawis niya.
Service error by Sinagote. Score
Lang pala yung si
16-15.
Hindi pala si Jim.
Service by Kaya.
Sabi,
Good serve by Kaya ng Sibel Manila. Binati Briones. Puntos. Cordius. 17-15. Dagdag na ako sa dalawang lamangan. Service by Gamboa. Receive de la Cruz. Vamos a hacer un golpe. Abelardo to Cristín. Urbanga to Gamboa to Briones. Good ball. El Estrella to Sinagote. Ito na Abelardo. Gamboa to Ito. Sinagote to El Estrella again. Inside! Puntos de Katusha. 17-16.
Bilis, bilis, bilis!
Ay! No big. Ay, back. Palitan ang connection at connect ng drone para sa team ng Katusha. Gamboa, Yulo, ito si Rizeo, bilang ng Sinagote. Ay, tapos, may kakayan. Puntos, Gorgeous, 18-16.
Oh,
Service by Jersey 12.
Yan, sobrang-
Abelardo.
hindi na nakaiyak.
Good serve by Abelardo. Receive by De La Cruz, to Sinagote to Rizeo. Denied by Briones.
Good!
Good boy. Bakit sila? Puntos, Gorgeous. 19-16. Service by Abelardo. Good serve. Receive by De La Cruz. Sinagote to Rizeo. Good. Time out. De La Cruzia. 20-16.
Mamaya ano po, ayun sa Ay, hindi. Saan? Ano ba dali yung laban ng Ayan.
Back to the ball game. Service by the team of Gorgeous. Abelardo. Good ball by Abelardo. Outside. 20-17. 3-point lead, Gorgeous. And for the team of Tia Pusha, jersey number 7. Eliseo.
Gusto mo to?
Good serve by Eliseo. Receive by Maya. Puntos. Tia Pusha.
Sa pabi!
Another service by jersey number 7.
Service,
Eliseo.
service pa! Nice!
Sinagote to... Nabitin si Bapetsina. Happy birthday. 1-1-18. And for the service line of the Burgess, each riders in the 17th, 15. Outside by 15. 21-19.
Rems!
Sabit. Back John Cena number 12 out. Balones number 6 coming in. Substitution completed. Service by Grace number 6, Balones. Good serve by Briones to Briones. Equal to 15. Gamboa to Briones. Nice big bar, De La Cruz. Maya to Gamboa. Leseo to 15 for Equal. Good ball. Maya. Received by Leseo to Sulacote. Masukol. Good. Masukol. 22-19. Score for natin, 22-19. Service by Briones. Jersey number 19. Check ball. Leseo. Another timeout for the team of Piratusha. Score, Warning 19. Warning 19. Wala na pong timeout ang kabunan ng Piratusha. Samantalang ang Gorgeous, meron pa pong isa. Okay players, back to the movie. Score natin, Warning 19. Service by Jersey number 19, Briones from the Gorgeous. Good ball. Outside. Inside, better. Inside, Puntos, Gorgeous. Set point, 19. Bola. Set point, 19. They do it Tidmore. Received by De La Cruz. Kaya to Gamboa to kaya De La Cruz. Gusto na po Equal. Check ball. Jersey number 17. 15. Set point 20. Service by Jersey number 16. Masukul. Sub. Jersey number 16. Masukul out. Hatcher jersey number 8 coming in. Substitution completed. Service by jersey number 8. Hatchero. Good serve. Check ball. Briones. Service by jersey number 8. Hatchero. Good. Score 25-21. And 9 players, please.
Wala si Pihit.
J-Score, we have for our second set. 1-1. Gorgeous, Ishida.
Pih. Ay, Pih.
And prepare po ang next game. SA Federation Quran versus Quran Firefighters. Nandito na po ang pupunan ng Quran Firefighters with a fire truck. Asa na po ang pupunan ng SK5.
Ibabakita niya sa sugat mo. Saan ang sugat mo? Di, kay ate. Kay ate.
Ano kaya ang sasakyan karalin ng mga taga SK Federation Quran? Limpyo ko ba?
Nasaan na kami ni Bio?
Oh.
Gano'n chocolate? Support, ganyan.
Pilihan ko kayo sa dalawa. Limpyo ko ba or ambulance?
Wag yan, wag. Pay.
Pay kami, pay. Siya.
La, bola. Ang bola dyan, ala, may dugo. Ala, no! Shit!
Okay, players. Back to the bowling. We're down to our
Halika dito.
third set. Third set na po tayo. Pasok na po ang first 6 para sa ating third set.
Hey!
Sorry, ma.
Okay, para po sa first
Mama Red.
Dahil po siya sa ating third set. Bakal ko naman po mga kaibigan. From the team of De La Tucha. Jersey number 7, Eliseo. Jersey number 6, Balones. Jersey number 4, Lakaya. Jersey number 21, Ito. And jersey number 15, the team captain, Sinabote. Jersey number 16, Masupol. And for the Lebeno. Jersey number 19, De La Cruz. Para naman,
Kamu mo ba? Kamu ka.
Huwag malikot.
wait lang po.
Bakit? Sino ba sila? Dalay.
Kamu ka.
Okay. Para sa team ng Gorgeous Ishra, jersey number 16, Cavite. Jersey number 2, Ramal. And jersey number 27, the team captain, Gapola. Jersey number 12, Abelardo. Jersey number 14, Tizon. And jersey number 19, Briones. And their Lebero. Jersey number 24, Tayang. Third set. Let the battle begin. On the service line of the Gorgeous Ishra. Jersey number 16, Cavite. Service add-on by Cavite. Score 1-0.
Ano na yan sa'yo?
Service by jersey number 6, Balones. Good for by Balones. Good for the song. Over by Cavite to Gamboa. De La Cruz. Gusto na mo rin kung Itol. Good ball by Sinagote. De La Cruz to Sinagote. Iulog para kay Dizon. Gamboa iulog din para kay De La Cruz. Sinagote po Itol. Iulog. De La Cruz. Score 2-0. Ayan, marami ang ating mga audience. Service by Balanes. Receive by Dizon. Gamboa to Abelardo. Last touch. Kapayan. 2-1. Score 2-1.
Pay, ang kamu mo pa yan.
Service by jersey number 2, Ramal.
Kamu mo kaya.
Receive by Eliseo Balones to Itol Timula. Para kay Ramal. Kapigin to Ramal over by Gamboa. Inside! Binigyan lang ang bola. Puntos, Gorgeous. All two. Service by jersey number 2, Ramal. From the Gorgeous. Good ball. Good service by Ramal. Itol Timula. No good. Namang naman ang isa ang pupunan ng Gorgeous. 3-2. Service by Ramal. Over line from Pinatusha, jersey number 4, Rafael.
Mag-alis.
Good serve by Rafael, this is by Ramal. Ramal to Gaboa to Tizon. No good by Tizon. Score 4-3. Another service by Rafael. Good serve by Rafael, this is by Kaya to Abelardo to Gaboa. Rafael to Sinanglote to Ipon. Abelardo to Gaboa. Pasukol. To Ipon again. Kaya Maisip. Ramal. To Gaboa. Marcos. Wide Gaboa. Score. Deadlock 4. Deadlock ng tayo sa 4. Service by the team captain of Gorgeous Gaboa. Mabelya to Ipon. Briones to Abelardo. Received by Eliseo. Sinagot ito Ipon. Outside, no check. Score, Gorgeous, 5-4. Service by Gaboa. No good. Service error, Puntos, Pinatusha. Deadlock 5. Service by Ipon. Jersey number 21. Good serve by Ipon. Received by Sinabigit. Briones. For Ipon. Bison. Gaboa to Briones. Himula. Hinapos. Puntos. Pinatusha. 6-5. 1 point lead. Pinatusha. Service by Ipon. Kabigit to Eliseo. Nasagod si Gaboa. Mabelya to Sinanggote to Masukol. No good. Outside Masukol. Deadlock 6.
Sobrahan na rin sa energy tuloy.
Service by jersey number 12. Abelardo. Good serve by Abelardo. To Mabelya to Masukol. Ihulog. Nice cover by Gaboa. Kabigyan! Outside by Kabigyan. Score 7-6. Service by the boat and team captain, Sinanggote. Good serve. Received by Ramal. Gaboa to Kabigyan. Ipon. To Sinanggote. To Masukol. No good. Masukol. Score deadlock 7. Service by jersey number 14, Tizon. Bitin yard. Score Pinatusha 8-7. Service by jersey number 16, Masukol.
Makaano man.
Masukol. Deadlock 8. Service by jersey number 19, Ground the Gorgeous, Briones. Received by La Cruz. Sinanggote to Eliseo, Pinula. Hindi Buaso, Puntos. Gorgeous. 9-8. Another service by Briones. No good. Briones. Score. Deadlock 9. Balita naman po sila ng error. Service by Eliseo. Good serve by Eliseo. Check ball by Dizon. 10-9. Service by ASA. Service ace, ASA, 11-9. Here's number 7, ASA serving. Good serve, received by Briones. Kaya po siya. Time out! Good news. Score po natin 12-9. 12-9 po ang ating score. Isang magandang gabi po sa SK Federation President ng Quran, SB.
Nag-school po ata mga sa
Patrick Kenneth Kabayan. Magandang gabi po. At susunod na po ang inyong laro. SK Federation Quran versus Quran Firefighters. Okay, players, back to the movie. Score ko natin, 12-9. Naman na po ang Tiratusha. Another service by their service seven and the sale. Good serve. Dito ang posisin ang buwate. Dito ang papalo. Usibay. Kaya. Kapawa to Ramal. Ibon. Usibay Dizon. Nabigyan. Nice big bite din ang Usibay. Service by Eliseo. Number 1 po yung Eliseo. Sinagot. 14-9. Lima na po ang tamaan ng Tiratusha. Good serve by Eliseo. Double at Kapigyan. Over by good ball. Briones to Kapigyan in Hulog. Full cross. Gorgeous. 14-10. 4-point lead. Tiratusha. Service by Kapigyan. Outside Kapigyan. Score 15-10. Receive by Ramal. Ugamoa. Abilano. And that's the Cruz. Ito again. From the line. Check ball. Kapigyan. 16-10. Nice coach. Balones serving. Nice coach. Dizon Capilardo. Sinagot to Ito. Natulog kay Ramal. Nakuha na sa Sibila Cruz. Sinagot ni Hulog. Tinaas ni Dizon. Over by Gamboa. Eliseo sinagot to Rapayan. Trespassing Rapayan. Sa pit to work kay Abelardo. Score 16-11. Jersey number 14, Dizon out. Jersey number 17, Christine coming in. Substitution completed. Service by number 2, Ramal. Good serve. Receive by the Cruz. Sinanggote po ito. Puntos by Ibon. 17-11. Gamboa. To Christine. Puntos by Christine. 17-12. Service by the team captain, Gamboa. Good serve, Lucina Mabrera. Gamboa to Briones, Abinado, Ditalik. Masupol. Gamboa, Lucina Masupol. Ito.
Wow!
Sa pigil. Score 18-12. Service by Ito. Good serve by Nicole. Spin to Gamboa. Ito to Sinagwate to Masuko.
Parang nasobrahan din ang pinapay.
Ano? Sino kausap mo?
At sa pirato siya,
Dito ka sa labas.
dalawa po ang inyong timeout.
Wait lang, mamaya. Valdez, dyan ka lang ha. Uutos na sa Ella mamaya. Bigay na sa Ella mamaya ng 250.
Service migration to number 1, equal. And service by equal. This is by Christine Gamboa. Masupol. Supported to the same. And let's see. Score 20-12.
Dyan po eh. Nalasing na daw
Another
kagabi
service
ah.
by equal.
Siya. Isang pan. Sa pangalawa na ano,
Mabila. Tumasok!
Pang ano pala siya, ma'am?
Hindi na nagkakalat siya.
Yun ang hinangat siya, ma'am.
Service by equal.
Ako sa ganito eh. At pangatilo eh.
Nice service by equal. This is by Raman, Christine, Gamboa, Supol, Inaseo, Sinagote.
May energy na siya. Kanina talaga. Ay na ano daw pala, nausog.
Nila Supol.
Ay hindi. Alak-alak lang ako.
Nice service by equal. Score 1-12. Another service by equal. No good. Service error by Eagles. Score 1-13. Sampo ang kalamangan ng Piranusia. Ay ang nabulin niya ng Gorgeous Israel. Kaya service by Abelardo, receive by Mabella. Sinanggote to Liceo, Iniulo. Check ball, Briones. 7.13. Service by the team captain of Piranusia. Here's number 15, Sinanggote.
Service yan!
High service, received by Abelardo. And change score. Winner for our third set. 1-5, 13. gorgeous na po papalitan or aayusin. Rotation.
Sapa. Lasa pala. Isa pa?
Okay, prepare na po ang ating next game.
Aldes, magano ka na dyan? Ready ka motor.
Kasi check po.
Send ka lang. Wala pa na ilabas mo.
Players back to the booking. And now we are proceeding to our fourth set. Once upon a time, the first 6 battles of the fourth set. And panaligod na lang po sa ating management. Okay, from the team of Burgos, Ishida. From BBN Warriors number 16, Taka Warriors number 13, Gamboa, the team captain, Warriors number 27. Warriors number 12, Abelardo. Warriors number 17, Christine, and Warriors number 19, Briones. And primary libero, Warriors number 24, Taya. Para naman sa team na Tiralusha. From jersey number 7, El Seo. Jersey number 6, Balanes. Jersey number 4, Baclayan. Jersey number 21, Ipon. Jersey number 15, the team captain, Sinagote. And jersey number 16, Masupol. And there's starting 11 on jersey number 19, De La Cruz. Fourth set.
Service!
At the final team. From the service line of the Tiralusha, jersey number 7, El Seo. Good serve. This is number 16. Gamboa Albilado. Nice speed by De La Cruz. Over by Ipon. This speed to Gamboa Albilado again. Score 1-0.
Parang inahampas ako yung bolo. Di ba?
Service by
Inahampas niya.
Taya.
Sorry.
Good serve by Taya. Nilulog ni Sinagote. This speed. Ganda Ward.
Service ka!
Service by number 6, Balones. Good serve by Balones. Score 2-1. Another service by Balones. This by Kaya. This team Iuno from those Balones. Bakaya again. Bakaya Pupos. Score another 3-1.
Servicean mo ka! Sa mukha na rin. Karen, go service!
Transport ka palagi na.
Sinagote.
Ay! Hindi umabot!
Score 3-2. Service by Team Captain Gamboa. Sinanggote to Ito. Ay, kinapos si Ito. Score, Batla 3. Another service by Gamboa. Insert by Gamboa, si Nita Cruz.
Aroy!
Outside. Ito. Score, Gorgeous. 4-3. Service by Gamboa. Received by Eliseo. Puntos.
Patay na! Patay! Patay!
Balones to Sinanggote to Itol. Kaya to Bistin. To Abelardo.
Wala na, free ball na.
De La Cruz to Sinanggote to Itol. Received by Cavite. Bistin. De La Cruz.
Ay! Ayun! Balik niyan!
Briones Siniela. Puntos. Score 6.
Patay! Patay!
At Gamboa ang Gorgeous. Pabili ang tusi ng bote to Itol.
Yes, sport lang yan.
For 6-4.
Ay!
Service!
Service by jersey number 4, Vampire. Good serve by Vampire.
Wala na.
Gamboa to Briones. Briones, puntos. 7-4.
Hello!
Service by Abelardo.
Outside! Dalawa! Dalawa!
Service by jersey number 21, Ito. Gusto by Kaya. Kung Gamboa to Kaya, Balones. Gusto ng bote, Tumula. Gamboa to Kapigen. Nice pick by De La Cruz. The control line. Jersey number 21, Ito. Score 7-6.
Isa, isa! Outside! Go pa!
Go, Karen!
Puntos. Gorgeous. 8-7. Service by jersey number 17, Christine. Good serve. Receiver Balones. Sinanggote over. Outside. Score 9-7. Christine. Service ace by Christine. Service by jersey number 17. Service by check up three. Sinagote. Pag-receive na po ang pamigyan. Receive by equal. Sinagote to Eliseo. Kampo at pamigyan. Puntos. Bayanes. Score 11-8. Yung bata po sa ilalim ng dalawang bola natin, ref. Puntos. Direto siya. Pakialis po, baka mamatamayan ng bola. Maraming salamat. Score po natin, 11-9.
Service, hindi.
Service by the football.
Wala na. Free ball.
Override on Boa. Last football po silang bote to Gantaya and then to Christine.
Service pa! Good service! Go pa, go pa! Go pa, service!
Service by Masupol.
Good service! Open. Ay! Sayang.
Score! Gorgeous! Wow, Balaban! Outside, Brian Rodrigo.
Service, Miray!
Service by jersey number 7, Eliseo. Good serve by Eliseo.
Angat mo lang ka.
Dito ulit muna para kay Kabigin.
Outside. Service pa, service!
Service by Eliseo.
Nice service! Wala na, free ball. Ay, sayang.
Background technique.
First ball, first ball!
Service by jersey number 15, Bayang. Mabelya to sinanggote to Imol.
Wala, free ball na.
Talo pa sa lugar ko. Imol, Mabelya.
Tatlo.
Beatricia. Score 16-13. Okay, players, back to the movie. Score po natin 16-13. Lamang na tatlo ang Burgess. Service by Bayang. Receiver Novelia to Sinagote. To Pokemon. Good play by Abelardo.
Karen, dalawa! Servicean mo ka!
And service by jersey number 6. Balones.
Good service.
Mabigyan. Magawa ng Piscin. Puntos by Piscin. Score 17-14. Service by team captain Gamboa. Receive by Ito. Sinagawa mo ito. Good. Jersey number 21, Eagle out. Jersey number 8, Archero, coming in. Substitution completed.
Si Karen.
Gamboa serving. Bumabila. Alessio ng Archero. Kapingin po Gamboa. Ubriones. Good ball by Juarez. Over by Sinangote. Gamboa, Ubriones again. Over by Sinangote. Abelardo, Gamboa. Abelardo. Good ball by Archero. The speed. Pusha 18-15. Service by Kapayan, Jersey number 4. Kapayan, score for London plus Gorgeous. 19-15. For London, Gorgeous. Service by Jersey number 12. Abelardo. Good serve by Abelardo. Ito ba nilang gusto ng Rocket ng Masa?
Ano ba yun? Sila sa Jersey. Ganun talaga yung ano niya.
Kacang jersey ring out. Equal jersey number 21. Substitution completed. Service by jersey number 21.
Go! Service!
Good serve by Ito, receive by Kaya. Gamboa to Briones.
Ay, layo.
Alessio, puno ang bola para Piscin.
Press.
Gamboa again to
Oh, dalawa, dalawa!
Pirusha, 19-17.
Service!
Service by Ito.
Nice service!
Receive by Kaya. Gamboa to Katigen. Down the line, bola to Siragote. Gamboa to
Wala na, wala na yan.
Katigen.
Outside! Isa, isa! Patay!
Service by Ito.
Good service!
Serve by Ito.
Wala na. Yun na! Patay! Oh, palamang pa! No! Wala nga rin yung pagpipli mo, Ella. Lagot ka. Ella! Ah, 15 pa naman ngayon. Sound niya yun. O, Valdez, huwag na tumayo. Wala pa.
Dirty nga. Dirty. Kita mo, wala ka ng rasis dahil wala ka na doon. Diba? Wala ka ng rasis dito.
Yan yung iniiyak-iyak mo sa akin na parang... Service! Nice service! Wala na. Yeah! Woo! Go! Napatay yung si Coach! Open! Go! Go! Woo! Go! Good service! Wala na! Outside! Woo! Go! Ella! Parang kailangan ni Joey talaga uminom ng weapon. Good service! Good! Walang tawag! Go! Good service! Last, tol! Ay! Nabitin ka na. Go! Patay na! Patay na isa!
Isa lang! Isa na! Isa na lang!
Open!
Over by Sinacote. Christine Gamboa to Briones. And Sinacote. Super! Good ball.
Outside pa!
Lapit na! Isa na lang! Isa na lang!
Go! Last na yan! Last na yan, oh! Oh, first ball! Ay! Sorry!
Ang nilakasan! Para hindi makakapang!
Oh, patay!
Isa lang.
Good save by Christine. Receiver Balones.
Rest!
Tito. Gamboa. Briones. Jasmine Cruz. Abelardo. Briones.
Oh, patay, patay!